Hello everyone, I am Pratima Adhikari and today we will be talking about the cheapest Android smartphone by Nokia. Yes, we will be looking into the Nokia One. Now, apart from the fact that this phone comes for a price of less than $100, what's also interesting is that it runs on Android Go. For those who don't know, Android Go is the lighter version of Android which optimizes applications so that they consume less memory. So let's quickly dive into the review and find what this device has in back for us. When I first looked at the Nokia One, it kind of took me back to my high school days as I carried a phone with similar dimensions. No offense, I would have loved the looks in 2012. Up front, the phone has a 4.5-inch 480p display. The contents on this IPS display look just okay. Having said that, the viewing angles is average and you could see the shift in color. The device is easy, very light and handy. Similarly, it has a removable back and is made entirely of plastic. I personally prefer a unibody design, but this phone does not look so bad, so it's okay. There is a significant amount of bezels you will notice, but still the phone has a playful design. The Nokia One runs on Android Oreo 8.1 with the Android Go version. The Android Go does ensure a lag-free performance. There is YouTube Go, there is Google Maps Go and the like, and all of them perform without any hitches. I have installed some games and my personal favorite Ludo ran quite well. Similarly, I played Subway Surfer and experienced lags here and there. I would say that light games are playable and seriously, I don't expect anything more from this phone. On a similar note, there were very less lags while multitasking. Only sometimes when many apps are opened at the same time, the phone becomes a little slow. For day-to-day tasks, this one has a decent performance. Something that is commendable is that the screen is actually very responsive to touch than I had expected. The speaker that is housed at the back is actually quite loud enough and does a decent job. On the storage front, you get 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of expandable storage. I would say that the storage offered here is very low, but the inclusion of Android Go is a balanced effort by Nokia. On the connectivity side, you get 4G, LTE, GPS and Wi-Fi, which for the price is justifiable. In terms of cameras, you will get a 5-megapixel shooter at the back with LED flash and a 2-megapixel shooter at the front. Both the cameras are mediocre in performance. The camera takes a long time to focus on subjects and takes more than a second to capture. Many times I got blurry images. The low-light images are very noisy, and something that is sure is you would not want to buy the Nokia One for the cameras. The Nokia One has a small 2150 mAh battery and it does not last long, but as there is a removable back, you can carry a spare as per your requirements. The Nokia One is a very interesting device. The performance of this device is okay in all departments as there is nothing extraordinary and nothing undermining as well. So if you ask me if getting this phone is a good deal, I would say that you look for other options like the Xiaomi Redmi 4A or the UMIDIG London, which offer more in the similar price. So that is all for the review. Tell us what you think about the Nokia One in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.